Welcome back to Pals Fundamentals on YouTube for your Faroe Islands news report. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Today is January 6, 2025, and, let's start with the weather.
Right now, the Faroes are seeing light to moderate winds. They're coming from the north. And we've got fluctuating cloud cover, some snow showers, too. Temperatures are hovering right around freezing. Could get up to 5 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
There's a low pressure system. It's near Ireland right now, moving northeast, and it's intensifying. By Tuesday, Wednesday, it's expected to settle over southern Norway, and then it'll start to dissipate. This system's going to bring in a surge of cold, unstable air to the Faroe Islands from the north and northeast, which is going to lead to those persistent wintry showers. But by Thursday, a high-pressure system
Yeah.
will start to strengthen west of the Faroe Islands, and it's gradually going to shift eastward, settling over the islands on Thursday and Friday. So during that period, expect some light, variable winds, partly cloudy skies, dry conditions. Temperatures are going to drop, though, ranging from -7 to 2 degrees Celsius. Then as we head into the weekend, milder air will flow in from the south. So that's going to bring in a change in weather patterns.
Sounds good. Let's move on to some local updates for today.
Sure. Some municipalities are announcing that you can actually get an extension for the deadline to replace oil tanks.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. The deadline, it can be extended if, there's a few conditions. If you have plans to switch to a district heating system. If a binding agreement has been made for a new oil tank with a delivery time, if a binding agreement has been made for a new heating system, again, with a delivery time, or for the time it takes to just burn the oil that's already in the tank.
Okay.
According to a decree from 2018, tanks with an unknown production year, or tanks that aren't approved, or have an unknown construction, or unknown material have to be taken out of use if the house was built between 1961 and 1980.
All right, so turning to a local event happening later today.
Right. The Nordic Association in the Faroe Islands, they're hosting an event today at 3 p.m. called Norrmot at Runsurye in Tórshavn.
Great.
It's basically to take the pulse of Nordic cooperation.
I see.
The event will review the past year's collaborations and discuss what to expect in the coming year.
Excellent. And in other news, Atlantic Airways has a new simulator.
Yep. The helicopter simulator received its final approval back in December, and the flight simulator is expected to be fully approved next week. The first helicopter students, they'll be using the simulator starting Wednesday. There's been a great deal of interest, actually, in the new simulator from abroad, and bookings, they've already been made until this summer.
Wow. Next, we'll look at some sports news.
Okay. HB Football Club has sold national team center back Samuel Johansson Chukudi to Finnish club SJK Seinäjoki. They play in the top Finnish league. Chukudi has already traveled to Finland and signed the contract. Financial details of the transfer will not be disclosed.
All right, finally a local update for hunters.
Hunters in the Faroe Islands reported shooting 4,368 hares in 447 hunting trips in 2024. The highest number of hares, 229, were shot in Norrnesi in Neshaga. This represents a decrease from the 5,300 hares registered as shot in the Faroe Islands in 2023 during 556 hunting trips.
Wow. Okay.
And we're back with part 2 of the Faroe Islands news report from Pals Fundamentals.
All right, let's head over to Vagar Airport for some travel news.
Sure. Vagar Airport, they saw record-breaking passenger numbers in 2024.
Really?
Over 444,000, which actually surpasses the previous record set back in 2023.
And that concludes our Faroe Islands news report for January 6, 2025 from Pals Fundamentals on YouTube.
Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.
Stay warm and have a great day.